Hi students, this is Mr. Kwan. This is your first video. That's amazing. Okay, make sure you have your notebook out. I'm going to remind you to have your notebook out to take notes. Okay, so we're going to work on the first chapter, chapter 1-1, understanding points, lines, and planes. Okay, so make sure you copy down this box of 9 boxes. Okay, so pause the video and copy it down. Once you have it copied down, then we're going to fill in the information together. So, we're going to start with the first one. A point names a location and it has no size. That means it's not big or small, it just has no size. It is represented by just one letter. Okay? It's represented by a letter. So let's call this capital letter point Q for Kwan. Okay? So a point looks like this. Point Q. Okay? Make sure you write this down. Write down all this. Alright? Okay? Second, a line is a straight path. A line is a straight path that has no thickness. Okay? It doesn't go up and down. It extends forever. It extends forever. Alright? It is represented by a lowercase letter. We rarely ever use the lowercase letter. We usually use the 2 points, okay? So let's say A, B, all right? So it's A, B with a line. Okay, that's what a line looks like. We always do that in geometry. So make sure you write this down in your notes, okay? You wanna make sure all this is on your notes. All right, last one, and you probably have not seen this before. A plane, P-L-A-N-E. Plane, sorry, P-L-A-N-E. A plane is a flat surface, okay? It's a flat surface that has no thickness and extends forever, okay? We usually represent it with like a cursive letter, so it could be like a cursive letter L. So it's like a cursive letter L, or we can use 4 letters. So like X, Y, Z, W, okay? So 4 letters. A plane, sorry, I don't know what I'm drawing here. A plane is like a box. So a plane looks like this. Okay? And it's like the corner is X, this is Y, this is Z, this is W. Now, make sure you copy all this down. Okay, make sure you copy all this down. Now, I know it's kind of weird to see, so I'm going to use a real life example to help you out with this. Alright? Points, lines, and planes are very useful in maps. So we're going to use a map to help us out. So this is the map of Las Vegas. Let me erase all these points. This is the map of Las Vegas. Okay. So this is the Strip right here. This is UNLV right here, Hard Rock Casino. Now, a point is just one dot on a map. One dot on a map. Right there. You're on the corner of Las Vegas and Spring Mountain. That's one point. A line is from one point to another. So you're right here, you're going to travel here, you're going to connect these dots, that's a line. Now, a line goes on forever, because if you think about it, when you go from here to here, just imagine if you're going on a straight line, you can go in either direction forever. It doesn't curve, so I know this map you curves, but a line in real life doesn't curve. The last thing is a plane. The best way to think of a plane is the entire map is a plane. The entire map of Las Vegas is a plane. Okay? So that's points, lines, and planes. Now, there's only a few more things you have to learn, so let's get back to it. Okay? Make sure you write down these 2 words, collinear, coplanar. Collinear, coplanar. Collinear are points on the same line. They're points on the same line. Make sure you write that definition down. Points on the same line is collinear. So if you have a line here, and this is point A, and this is point B, because they're on the same line, it's collinear. If you have a line here, and point A is here, and point B is here, that is not collinear. So this is a yes, this is a no, okay? Yes, collinear, not collinear. Make sure it's on the same. Coplanar, same idea, except not on the same line, but points on the same plane. On the same plane, all right? So, pretty easy. Collinear, coplanar. Try by yourself, try to describe a real world example of something that's collinear, okay? Try it. I'm not going to spoil it for you. I want you to think about it. And that is your first video. Enjoy, students.